completing a square is a very useful concept in regards to quadratics and some other functions and relationships related to conic sections. Today we're going to be focusing on quadratics and moving into completing the square to use vertex form of quadratic equations. So we've talked about how to use that algebra tile to show what it looks like, why it works. So let's just start with the basics. So what we're really doing, if we think about these in terms of algebra tiles, is we have x squared plus 6x. So that means I have 6 x bars. So if I start with that 6, we're going to divide that by 2. All right, so that means we have 3. So if I think about this in terms of our algebra tiles, there's my x squared tile, and then I've got 3 x bars that are going to line up here, and then 3 that are going to go on each side. All right, so I've got 3 on each side. So that's going to be x plus 3 quantity squared. Now, what do I need to fill in to this area here? Well, I need 9 units. So in order to complete the square, we're going to be adding 9. So let's look at the second example. We start with 22. So we take that 22, divide by 2. So 22 divided by 2 is 11. All right, so now that we've got 11, we're going to go ahead and square that. 11 squared is 121. So x squared minus 2x plus 121 is equal to the quantity x minus 11 squared. All right, well, now we have that last one. Ooh, x squared minus 3x. Well, that's an odd number. All right, but that doesn't really change anything. All right, I'm still starting with that negative 3. And if it helps us, we can even kind of start working with the factored form, make it easier. I know it's going to be x minus something. So we're going to do 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, so or 1.5. All right, well, now to figure out what I need to complete the square, I've got to square 1.5. Well, 1.5 is kind of like 15, and we should know that 15 squared is 225. So if 15 squared is 225, then that means that 1.5 squared is 2.25. So x squared minus 3x plus 2.25 is equal to x minus 1.5 quantity squared.